Hey guys, we're aboard Princesa do Tejo for the first regatta of the season. Our skipper is coming with the rest of the crew and we're gonna head to Montijo. I'll explain soon what we need to do, what's the setup, so see you in a minute. We have full crew, there isn't much wind, so we'll have all sails up. Bruno is just setting the mizzen sail and we'll then leave straight away. We won't fly the jib yet, and there's a very good reason for that. I will explain it soon. Railing lines off. You can check how they work on the video linked at the top of the screen. Right, the jib. With the new setup, the yard has gone further forward and is hoisted higher too. This means that when we need to jibe, the yard won't be able to clear the flying jib. If it gets caught on the jib in stronger winds, it will very likely result in damaged sail or a capsize. So we will raise it only after the start and when beating, and we will have to bring it down before any jibe and up again on the next favourable leg. Here I'm just checking all lines are untangled. And here comes Ponta da Marinha joining the fleet on the way to the race at Montijo with their skipper José Santos. There's 3 races going on today: Catraios, the smaller boats, Canoas up to 7 meters, and Canoas over 7 meters. And here comes Papa Milhas, the main contender. Have a look at last season's most epic battle between these two. If you want to know who won that one, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. And this year Princesa has a new set of sails, different setup, and she's ready for it. Okay, this is the race course. It's 2 laps, and looking at it, we will have to raise and lower the jib twice at least. That's gonna be a tight squeeze, a bit too close for the jury's nerves. He actually did start the outboard, although it wasn't needed. We will be beating for a while now, so it's time to fly that jib. I guess we need to practice a bit more. We are now approaching the second mark and we will need to jibe, so the jib must come down. I would say we built a very nice lead over the rest of the fleet. The new sails are awesome. Hats off to PL Sales team for a job well done, and then some. We are now crossing with other boats surrounding Mark III on the first leg. And because it can't all be perfect, now the yard gets caught on the flying jib. Good thing it was not during a jibe.
Right guys, we're gonna round the top buoy now. We had a bit of a stress. Our skipper almost had a heart attack. We let go of the car a bit and the yard got stuck on the flying jib, so the yard wouldn't tack properly, so Bruno had a fit. But we're all good now.
She's that calm.
Come on.
And all through the race we kept a good few hundred yards ahead, so let's rejoin close to the finish with some great wind pulling us across the line.
Yeah, first win! Cheers, skipper! And now we're heading home because the tide's going out and we have no engine, so we better get going. Luckily the wind's picking up as well, so. And we're home, guys. The first win of the season. We're going in the little tavern over there with a modern day pirate, and we're gonna have a couple of drinks. Guys, stay safe. See you next week.